Marriage is not always a bed of roses and chocolate. No? May mga pagsubok. Pero walang dapat ikatakot. Bakit? Ito na yon. Ibibigay, hinihingi na natin ang biyaya na kailangan ninyo sa inyong paglalakbay bilang isang Kristiyanong pamilya. Love has no termination date. No, hindi dapat yan kumukupas. And so, if love is forever, therefore, marriage is forever.
Quoting words from the earth and the dirt. I sought to muse, but the words just wouldn't come. It's been a while since I saw you at New Year, holding your breath, your eyes upon the second hand. The way you looked is still vivid to me. You're something out of a dream.
Kailan may kita pagsatapsilan, isuot mo at pagkaingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang sanla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
You're something out of a dream, and I like it, though I fight it. It took a while for the medicine to sink and blow out the fog and remove all the cobwebs. Now I'm clear, I can hear myself think straight. I'm on the road with my clothes in a rucksack over my shoulder, following the whispers. People ask me where I'm going in such haste, and I say,
May di kita pagtataksilan, suot mo at pagkaingatan ng singsing na ito na siyang tangla ng aking pang-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
you're something out of a dream, messing with my head. And I've been looking for you. Are you hiding? 'Cause I like the way you're calling to me. You spell upon me. You're something out of a dream, and I like it, though I fight it. You're something out of a dream. You're something out of a dream.
Love unites. It does not separates. Yun ang pagmamahal, tunay na pagmamahal, nagbubuklod, pinag-iisa, hindi pinaghihiwalay. Ito yung tunay na pag-ibig.
This horizon, it's shining. Seems the daylight knows this is our time now. Where we're going, these dreams we're holding. Oh, and now we know it. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts today.
Vincent Joseph, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagkaparito? upang makaisang dibdib si Venus na iyong pagkakamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
This adventure we were meant for. Every day is a chance to discover. You give me reason through every season. Together we can do anything we believe in. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever stars. Through it all, and what we face. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever stars today. It's alright.
Venus, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang ipagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Benjamin Joseph na iyong pagkakamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever stars. Through it all, and what we face. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever stars today. Forever stars today. They're all the same, and by tomorrow he'll forget her name. She's left carrying the next day's shame, left wearing the scars. Whoa. 'Cause when the bright lights fade and the music stops, we all want what we ain't got. Real love, always gonna be here love. Something more than a Friday night. She wishes she could get back. She wants a love that lasts. Love that lasts. Oh yeah. We're all searching for the same thing. Can't deny what we're needing. We need love to stick around through the ups and downs and be there in the morning. Yeah. She wants a real love, always gonna be here love. Something more than a Friday night. She wishes she could get back. She wants a real love, always gonna be here love. Something more than a Friday night. She wishes she could get back. She wants a love that lasts. A love that lasts.
Maraming salamat sa araw na ito na kami po ay nagkasama-sama dito sa Shepherds para po daluhan ang kasal ng aming pamangkin na si BJ at si Venus. Nawa Panginoon, kayo ang manguna sa selebrasyong ito at pagpalain mo po, puspusin mo po ng biyaya at pagpapala ang kanila pagsasamahang mag-asawa. Muli, maraming salamat po Panginoon. Ama namin sumasalangit ka, sambahin ang ngalan mo, kapag sa amin ang kaharian mo, sundin ang loob mo dito sa lupa para ng sa langit. Kakanin sa araw-araw, patawarin mo kami sa aming mga sala para ng pagpapatawad namin sa nagkakasala sa amin. Huwag mo kami pahintulot sa tukso at diyan mo kami sa lahat ng masama. Amen. Aba Ginoong Maria, napupuno ka ng grasya, ang Panginoong Diyos ay sumasa iyo. Bukod kang pinagpala sa babaeng lahat, pinagpala naman ang iyong anak na si Jesus. Panalangin mo kaming makasalanan ngayon at kung kami mamamatay. Amen. Papuri sa Ama at sa Anak, sa Diyos, Espiritu Santo, kaparo noong una, ngayon at magpakailanman, magpasawalang hanggan siya nawa. Magandang umaga po. Ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
Yellow roses at your feet, a veil that couldn't hide those blue eyes. Your daddy walked you up to me, everybody stood as you passed by.
Hi. Ako yung best friend ni Venus. Pinigreet ko siya na congratulations sa inyong dalawa. At sana maging masaya at malakas ang inyong bubuing pamilya. Let's toast.
Tol, congrats. Alam ko, kaya niyo yung dalawa. Nagmamahalan kayo. Para sa pamilya niyo.
Here in front of me tonight, dressed in white. From that first date at the coffee shop, nothing else had ever felt so right. And you're smile has always lit me up, but I've never seen it shining quite this bright. No, I choose you for the rest of my life. Every day I'll remain right by your side. I'm the boy who won the world, 'cause somehow you're the girl standing here in front of me tonight, dressed in white. Oh, your good days and bad days, you never thought you'd have days. The hard times and sweet times, all those in between times. Your stands and your falls, baby, I want it all for all time. I choose you for the rest of my life. Every day I'll remain right by your side. I'm the boy who won the world, 'cause somehow you're the girl standing here in front of me tonight, dressed in white. Dressed in white. Hello, honey. I know you haven't heard much from me since I moved away. Hello, honey. I think I'm all done running. This time I'll stay if you let me. My fickle heart, I know it hurts you. I love you up, and then I cut loose. But I'm coming home to you. Hello, honey. You don't look so sunny to see me here. Hello, honey. What do you mean I'm too late? You're still the same as I left you. My fickle heart, I know it hurts you. I love you up, and then I cut loose. But I'm coming home to you.
Who is most romantic? Ho! Isa pa, huwag yung na ibaba. Taas nga. Taas. Taas. Ayan. So, ang gagawin niyo lang po ay isa sa pisngi. O, kiss mo sa pisngi. Kiss. Once sa sila ay tama, ikaw ang may gagawa. Okay, go! Palakpakan po natin sila. Second question. Who said I love you first? Who? Wow, kikis ka ulit sa kanya. Dito naman sa kabilang pisngi. Swerte mo naman. Go! Yeah! swerte naman ni Kim. Sana ako na lang si Pauline. Who was the most nervous about the big day? Who? Niloloko niyo ba ako? Ha? Okay. Kim. Ikaw ulit, Kim. Kiss mo ulit. Si Pauline sa kabilang kiss niya naman. Wow! Alright. Next question. Who is in control over remote control? Who? Kiss ka ulit. Kim kay Pauline. Kiss ulit. Wow, parang pakaswerte naman, target ka na. Ito po, next question. Who gave the first kiss? Swerte talaga. Kiss ka ulit, Kim. Talagang nagmamahalan talaga kayo. Sige na, kiss ko lang. Sa kabilang kiss din naman. Kala ko, sige talaga, gusto lang. Okay. Here we go to the next question. Who is the better driver? My God, Kim! Kiss ka ulit! Pasensya ka na, pero tama sila. Next question. Who wears the pants in the relationship? Ayaw mag-kiss! Kiss naman po kayo. Kiss. Yes. Itatanong ko lang po. Bakit kayo ba nagsagot? Nice answer. Ewan po. Ikaw, bakit kayo ba nagsagot? What do you think? Anyway, next question. Who has the smallest of feet? Who? Ayaw po ulit na mag-kiss. Wow. Okay, next question. Who spends most time in the bathroom? Who? Ayaw ulit kayo. Okay, kiss ulit kayo. So, nung nasundan, lagi-lagi na gusto na mag-kiss. Diyos ko. Alright, here we go. Who uses their phones more? Kiss ka sa kanya. Sabay kayo kung abangan, kiss ka sa kanya. Alright, eto po, next question. Who sings better? Who? Ayaw na makikis. Paano ka nagtawag na siya yung kumakanta? Kumakanta ka ba? Sir Vincent? Gusto niyo ba sample? Yes, sample tayo. A cappella nga lang kasi hindi mo malakpakan po tayo! Ako'y mahal mo rin at sinabi mo. Munti ka na mag-gong. Alright, so thank you very much po. Alam kong kota-kota ka na, so thank you.
I wanna fall in love. I really wanna fall in love with the birds and the flowers of some kind of power on me. And I wanna hold your hand like no one's ever held your hand. And we won't need a plan when all our tomorrows are free. So look at me, dear, I'm being sincere. I think you could be the one. So give me your hand and make me your man. Come on, let's give it a run. 'Cause I wanna fall in love. Oh, oh, oh. I wanna see you smile more than just once in a while. So why do you hide it? I'll make it appear you'll see. Oh, I don't wanna take I wanna fall in love. I wanna fall in love. Yeah, and we won't look back. We won't look back. We'll just fall in love. Yeah, we won't look back. We won't look back.
Alright, ang kabuuan dito po ngayong araw ng ating bagong kasal ay 131,085 pesos. So yun.
Give me your hand and make me your man. Oh, come on, let's give this a run, yeah.
Tanggapin mo.
Tanggapin mo.
Tanggapin mo ng isuan.
Ating unang hanap buwan.
Yung ingatan.
Yung ingatan.
Nalagrin.
Nalagrin.
Pagpagyamali.
At pagyamani.
Mahal na mahal kita.
Mahal naman. Alright, so si Venus naman po. Ayan.
Natanggap ko.
Natanggap ko.
Kiss muna po tayo. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, kiss! Yes, thank you very much po once again sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat.